Let's talk about the wind speeds we can see with hurricanes. With a Category 1 storm, you'll see winds ranging from 74 to 95 miles per hour. That can create flying debris, peeled shingles off roofs, knocked down tree branches, and scattered power outages. With a Category 2, winds will range from 96 to 110 miles per hour. You should expect major roof and siding damage to homes, downed trees, blocking roadways, and major damage to the power grid. When Hurricane Ike hit us in 2008, it came ashore as a Cat 2. When we see a storm upgraded to a Cat 3, that means we have a major hurricane on our hands. Winds will be 111 to 129 miles per hour. We could see whole roofs blown away, trees snapped, and power and water outages for days, if not weeks. A Category 4 packs winds of 130 to 156 miles per hour. And at that point, we're talking about homes collapsing, power poles and trees snapped off, and outages lasting for weeks. And if we were to see a Category 5, we're talking winds stronger than 157 miles per hour. We'd see catastrophic damage to homes and businesses. A Cat 5 would devastate whole towns.